Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Crepe Cure is probably one of the most sought-after skincare solutions for those battling the frustrating effects of crepey skin. Characterized by its thin, wrinkled, and sagging appearance, crepey skin can significantly impact one's confidence and overall well-being. This video will delve into the causes of crepey skin, exploring the various factors that contribute to its development, from sun damage and aging to genetics and lifestyle choices. We will also examine effective prevention strategies and treatment options, empowering you to make informed decisions about your skincare routine and reclaim your youthful, radiant complexion. Number 5. Advanced Clinical's Retinol Body Lotion. This luxurious lotion is designed to help you achieve a more youthful-looking complexion. It's formulated with retinol to visibly reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It helps replenish moisture, leaving your skin feeling soft and supple. It also helps to firm and smooth your skin, giving it a more youthful appearance. This advanced blend includes vitamin E, green tea, and aloe vera to nourish and protect your skin. It's also free of synthetic fragrances, making it suitable for everyone. This rich, velvety lotion absorbs easily without a greasy finish. It's perfect for use on your body, including your neck, arms, hands, thighs, and legs. It's formulated with proven ingredients and dermatologist-tested. Advanced Clinicals has over 25 years of skincare expertise, so you can trust it to deliver results. For best results, apply it nightly. If you're a retinol beginner, start by applying it to a small area and gradually increase usage as tolerated. Avoid using it with benzoyl peroxide or vitamin C. What we like. This cream uses retinol to smooth and firm your skin. If you are looking for a product with proven anti-aging ingredients and want to improve skin texture, this is a great option. It's suitable for daily use and helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles and crepey skin, revealing a more youthful complexion. What people say. The lotion is lightweight and absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving any greasy residue. It's moisturizing but not overly heavy, making it suitable for daily use. With regular use, many users report smoother, more hydrated skin, and some have even seen improvements in the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and uneven skin tone. The combination of retinol with moisturizing agents makes this lotion ideal for dry or mature skin. Over time, it can help reduce the appearance of crepey skin, fine lines, and age spots, providing noticeable results with consistent use. Number 4. Gold Bond Age Renew Crepe Corrector. This advanced lotion is specially designed to target the appearance of crepey skin. It's a replenishing and smoothing formula that you'll love. It helps diminish the look of those fine, thin wrinkles associated with crepey skin. See a visible improvement in your skin's texture. This lotion contains protective antioxidants, powerful botanicals, and nourishing omega fatty acids. These ingredients work together to smooth and soften your skin. It provides lasting moisture throughout the day. Wake up to softer, smoother skin. This lightweight lotion is fragrance-free, fast-absorbing, and non-greasy. It's also been dermatologically tested for sensitive skin. Experience the Gold Bond difference. It's the perfect solution for smoother, more youthful-looking skin. What we like. This lotion provides long-lasting hydration and helps diminish the look of crepey skin. If you need all-day moisturization and prefer a fragrance-free option, this is for you. Its lightweight formula absorbs quickly, leaving your skin feeling soft and smooth without any greasy residue. What people say. I've already noticed visible results. I had started to see a bit of sagging skin around my neck, a subtle but unwelcome reminder of aging. Though I still consider myself young, this change bothered me. I work from home and spend a lot of time on Zoom, and once I noticed it, I became hyper-aware, assuming others noticed it too, even if they probably didn't. I've tried 2 other products before this with little to no improvement. Gold Bond has done what the others didn't. After just 2 days, they weren't. I've been using this Gold Bond for crepe skin for less than a week and already notice an improvement. Living in a very dry climate has accelerated the crepe look one gets as we age. My upper arms are starting to look smoother and I really notice that my hands are looking better too. I've also tried it on my face and neck. Creamy thick lotion in pump bottle for easy application. Have used to improve skin texture for 2 weeks. Need to apply daily after showering. Some improvement noticed, so will continue to apply daily. No scent is good for my taste. Number 3. Gold Bond Age Renew Crepe Corrector. This is Gold Bond Age Renew Crepe Corrector Body Lotion. It's designed to help diminish the appearance of crepey skin. It's a replenishing and smoothing formula that contains protective antioxidants, powerful botanicals, and nourishing omega fatty acids. This lightweight lotion is fragrance-free, fast-absorbing, and non-greasy. It's also been tested by dermatologists for sensitive skin. It provides 24-hour moisturization for lasting hydration, leaving your skin feeling soft and smooth all day long. Experience the difference with Gold Bond Age Renew. It helps to improve the look and feel of crepey skin, revealing smoother, healthier-looking skin. This unique lotion helps diminish the visible signs of crepey skin, such as fine, thin wrinkles. You'll notice a visible improvement in your skin's texture and tone. What we like. This lotion is another great option for long-lasting hydration and smoothing crepey skin. If you want the same benefits as the larger size but prefer a smaller, more travel-friendly option, consider this one. It's lightweight, fragrance-free, and absorbs quickly, leaving your skin feeling soft and smooth without any greasy residue. What people say. I've already noticed visible results. I had started to see a bit of sagging skin around my neck, a subtle but unwelcome reminder of aging. Though I still consider myself young, this change bothered me. I work from home and spend a lot of time on Zoom, and once I noticed it, I became hyper-aware, assuming others noticed it too, even if they probably didn't. I've tried 2 other products before this with little to no improvement. Gold Bond has done what the others didn't. After just 2 days. I've been using this Gold Bond for crepe skin for less than a week and already notice an improvement. Living in a very dry climate has accelerated the crepe look one gets as we age. My upper arms are starting to look smoother and I really notice that my hands are looking better too. I've also tried it on my face and neck. Creamy thick lotion in pump bottle for easy application. Have used to improve skin texture for 2 weeks. Need to apply daily after showering. Some improvement noticed, so will continue to apply daily. No scent is good for my taste. Number 2. Reshape Plus Collagen Cream. Say goodbye to crepey skin on your neck, arms, face, and body. It's moisturizing and easy to apply for smooth, confident skin. This cream boosts skin hydration by up to 88% instantly. It firms sagging skin and comes in a convenient, long-lasting pump bottle. With hyaluronic acid, it reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It's also packed with nourishing ingredients to keep your skin healthy. Made in the USA without animal testing and harmful parabens. It's a premium formula that cares for both you and your skin. This collagen lotion deeply hydrates and gives you smooth, radiant skin you'll love. Our money-back guarantee ensures your satisfaction. What we like. This cream is formulated with collagen to help firm and plump your skin. If you're looking for a product that intensely hydrates and improves skin elasticity, this is a good choice. It's suitable for all-over body use and helps to reduce the appearance of crepey skin and cellulite, leaving your skin feeling smoother and more toned. Number 1. Crepe Erase Advanced Body Repair. This advanced body repair treatment helps fight the appearance of wrinkles and aging skin. It's designed for both your face and body. Watch as it supports your skin's natural production of elastin and collagen, leading to a smoother, more youthful look. It absorbs quickly and easily into your skin, leaving no greasy residue. You can use it daily for best results. This versatile cream is perfect for tackling wrinkles and crepe-like skin on both your face and body. It's a convenient solution for total body rejuvenation. With regular use, you'll notice a significant improvement in the texture and appearance of your skin. It's time to rediscover your youthful glow. This generous 10-ounce bottle provides ample cream for consistent use, ensuring you see lasting results. Get yours today. What we like. This cream is designed to support your skin's natural collagen and elastin production. If you are looking for an anti-aging solution that helps repair and rejuvenate your skin, this is a great option. It targets the appearance of wrinkles and crepey skin to help restore a more youthful look and feel. What people say. After using the product now for 2 months, I am seeing a definite decrease in the crepe on my arms and legs. I have seen drastic changes, but you must use as directed. I am on my 3rd month and my arms, legs and neck look 5 years younger. I use twice a day, once in the AM then again at bed, and rarely miss. It's a very thick moisturizer, which is why it makes crepey skin less noticeable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.